What's up, people? We are back in the lab. I know it's been quiet, y'all, but as some of you may know, I've been recovering from hip surgery, so we back at full speed. So right now we got we're surrounded by Sr20s. So we got this one up here next. It's gonna get the forged piston, as you see back there. So we got the new front cover. So then I'll be taking the gears out of this and kind of side clearance in them a little bit, and then WPC for the gears inside. So we take this bad boy apart. Then for the water pump housing, we got to do a little bit of deburring, get rid of this casting flash, big old nasty piece of flash just hanging off. You can see it right there. So we do some deburring, get rid of that, knock that down, blend this in a little bit better. And then the same thing in here, a little bit of deburring, smooth this casting up a little bit. You can see those two boogers inside right there and right there. Two big old boogers inside. So we'll get the stone and knock those down and then smoothen that out. That'll kind of reduce some of the turbulence on the water pump itself. And then with an S14 water pump that's got the housing is what is raised versus a 13, the housing is completely flat. So S14 water pump, it's got the raised housing, so again that helps with cavitation and turbulence and whatnot on there. So then next up we got this SR. So we're gonna be taking this apart, checking it out, seeing what's up. It's all been put together previously, so we'll see what's up. But so far, I mean, you know, it look like typical SR. I mean, it's got these rocker arm stoppers, so yeah, depending on the situation, that may not be such a good idea, just depending on how the engine will actually be used. Then I noticed it's got these toe main cam gears adjustable, but if you look at that, these gears, they're powdered metal. This is powdered metal. So essentially this is a cast gear. That's what it appears to be to me. I mean, I can always touch it with a grinder, see how does it spark, and that'll give me an idea of kind of the alloy content or the lack of. But yeah, lots of glitter in there in those gears. So those gears looks like powdered metal to me. So I'm not sure where those came from, if they're authentic or not, I don't know. But yeah, that's something to note. So I would kind of steer against that. So yeah, so I'll turn you back on when I take the head off. I'm out of here. Later.